Lord is near to all who call upon him.
Hello, welcome back, and thank you for watching this all levels tutorial of Psalm 145. Like I said, this is all levels, so it's meant to be anywhere if you're an expert down to if you're just barely starting. The goal here is to be spiritually engaged, so don't worry too much about the movements. Just keep focus on the Lord and what you're doing together with Him. This is meant to be used during a Catholic Mass as well as personal worship, so we hope you enjoy, and please don't hesitate to comment below. Lastly, we do have spiritual workshops and discussions every month. Please feel free to reach out via email, and we'll be sure to include those in the future. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Start off center to the right side of your dancing space. 5th position, closed with your left foot in front. You're going to reach up with your left arm, then reach up with your right arm. Tendu forward on your left, bring your arms back. As you swing them to the front, brush your right foot forward, point your toe, then rond de jambe to your right, and close back 5th. Angle to your right, and raise your hands back up together. And that's it. You'll repeat it twice at the beginning and then once in between each verse. Start angled at your right 45, left foot in front, close 5th. Bring your left arm or your inside arm out, then your right arm, your outside arm out. Tendu front and bow with your left. Then you're going to shift your weight front, bring your right arm up, rond de jambe on your right, and prep to chaîner on your left. Soutenu 5th. And tendu right foot front and bow or present. Then repeat. Shift your weight on your right, bring your left arm up, rond de jambe your left foot around, cross over, prep, and chaîner on your right. And soutenu center. With your left foot in front, close 5th, present out left, present out right. Now this final time we will tendu left front, but we're not going to bow. Instead we're going to look away to our right and cross our hands over our face. Start 45 towards your right. Left foot in front and 5th. You're going to tendu back on your left. Bring your arms out in a high V, then back in and clasp your hands, maintaining your 2nd. Then you're going to press your hands down from the top. Take your left foot, cross forward, 5th. Plie, bring your arms all the way down and scoop them all the way back up into an 8th position, releve, and release. Bring your hands to your heart. Next, step out on your right. Bring your right arm up and reach. Step out on your left. Take your left arm out and reach. Now step back on your right. Release your right arm. Soutenu around. Back to a front 5th. Left foot in front. Present out with your left arm. Now repeat on left. Step out. Raise your left hand. Step out on your right. Raise your right hand. Now step back on your left, release your left hand, soutenu around, close fifth. Now with your right foot in front, present out right. You're going to start out on your right 45, left foot in front. Bring your arms out in a high V, then bring your fists in. Step out on your right, and at the same time throw your right arm, your left arm, your right arm. Next, you're going to lift your left hand, circle your arms out and present. At the same time, releve on your right. Step out on your left, leap and turn. Land on your right, tendu front and center. Raise your arms up high. Staying in second, you're going to shift your weight on your right towards the front. Bring your arms in, bring your hands towards your heart. Bring your arms around from left to right. At the same time, tendu your left foot back. Then bring your foot back out in a second into a lunge. Scoop your arms from right to left. Then release the lunge into a second. Bring your arms up. Bow your head and let your arms follow. One and two and three and four and five and six. Hold till the music switches. Then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Hold till verse 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Hold till the refrain. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Hold till the verse. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Hold till the refrain. Reset. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Hold till the verse. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and refrain 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Let the music finish off. Okay, so go ahead and review that as many times as you like, and when you are ready, let's go ahead and try it all together with music.